Fambul Kushe, my name is Abu Rogers, and I did do this video here so for answer some of the questions them we people and get regarding the COVID-19 vaccines them we they out. And for help address some of the false information we they go out on social media regarding how the vaccine bad or this and that. This is very important that we as a community understand exactly what's in the vaccine, do how they make them and the whole process, because a lot of Sierra Leoneans them, especially the one that were abroad, don't die from COVID-19, and Salon not immune to this. Tell God thank you, we know that severely impacted yet, but we also get for be cautious and we get for be careful. With all the NGC that we go, not turn right now. So all of this information here, so up to date till December 24th, 2020. So before we start, this now the places there must get all the information there. So you know, say anything I tell you, incredible nothing with the non put out there, not to just your information what I feel for tell you. So before understand how the corona vaccine they work, let's understand how regular vaccine they work in the first place. So normally, what in go do, then get them viruses there. So when are the what you they try for prevent against, then they do thing into them, then they weaken them. So we then put them inside your body they able to recognize say this na foreigner, this na virus. It they able to create a defense against them. But that weak one they wouldn't they put in their body, they able to make you sick. So this is important because if your body no one day experience virus like coronavirus, like this COVID-19 where they so, your body not know what for do time. But if you get this weak version of them, will they go inside your body, then your body gonna know how for approach or attack this, we get exposed to that day. So how does the COVID vaccine work? So the COVID vaccine is a little bit different, the one that we do now, from the regular vaccine we use for take. Normally, I say they go take that weakened virus, then put them inside you. But this one actually, then just to take a small part of that virus they would then call mRNA. Now then you put with a bunch of other things, then they mix them, then give you in 2 doses, so that your body go recognize that and you go create the same antibodies them against this. So not to the live virus and they put inside you, not to the even the full virus then they put inside you. Now just a part of them. Okay. So then put under your body recognize them. If you come in contact with possible get COVID or get corona, nothing will happen with you. So how then create this vaccine? A lot of people in concern say they create this vaccine fast one. The time too short, this and that. But yes, standing at 2. But the reason why I make this time here so short now because we're in the middle of a pandemic, but you also get a lot of people that will work on the same thing, then you get a lot of funding. So then they're able for process them they are very fast. So normally, they go through all the testing as they go do in any other situation, then do the animal testing, then they go through phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And then phases they are waiting and for. Then they test them on people and different people at different stages. And phase 3 now the biggest one what then they do. Then they test for see is this safe for humans, almost to get for give people for let work, how this they work, and all that day. They don't complete all the way they are so before agencies them or organizations them like the FDA within America now, they approve them vaccine they are so for let them use and pump people them. So right now we get over 80 something vaccines that would be in that clinical trial stage and they're not approved 3 of them. So then I very good news. So at this point, not to even forget without the vaccine, you for the members say how you go get access to the vaccine they are so. So what's in the inside this vaccine? You get mRNA, when are the small thing where I say with a part of the virus, when they put it inside, we're not even at the full virus. This if you put it inside, but you not get nothing way to do. But the route then they administer them, your body they able for create the antibody there for fat time if you come into contact with corona. Then you get lipids one are just fat, salt, and sugar. No worry about that at all. Then there normal everything that so vaccines they normally do. So how then they give this COVID vaccine here so? So this COVID vaccine, they get 2 types. They get the Pfizer and then they get the Moderna. The Pfizer is the first one with the approve. And that Pfizer day, Now 2 doses you get for take. Yeah, you take them 3 weeks apart. And after you don't take your second dose, then they predict they take 1 week before you get coverage protection. So important say you take both of these 2 doses here. So the Moderna, now the similar way they work, but instead of 3 weeks, they take 4 weeks between you take the 2 dose system. Then after you don't take your second dose, they take 1 week before you begin get full coverage against COVID-19. So you can either take the Pfizer or the Moderna, whichever one available to you, or maybe after this video, they make them more and more will get approved and you go get more options for take. So people then concerned say, well, some people that wouldn't take the vaccine, they can get bad reaction, some people then go die, this and that, all them thing and they. No worry about that. The most common one with me and you get for worry about now headache, fatigue, and muscle ache. If you don't take any other vaccine before and you fine, chances are that when you take this one as well, you go be fine. Some people then go just experience this slight headache, tired body, or body pain for a couple of days. And then it's supposed to be fine. The one out of every thousands of people that will take and get that bad reaction to this vaccine here. So then they also a common for vaccines them. For every vaccine or the under, it possible say some people that wouldn't take and go get bad reaction, but then they not just waiting the ISIAM and I they interact with your body. But if you not get that experience in the past, chances are that you go be fine. Other COVID question, then people and they say, oh, this is a microchip, they want spy on we, or this is the change with DNA, all that thing and they. No microchip, they're not the nothing, not the they're not the spy on you, nothing. This now for your well body one. Now that's the first thing. And the vaccine, they do nothing, they change nothing where they go on my body. If anything, it help protect your body, but they change nothing where they go on my body. How long this vaccine here, so they protect you? Well, then they still try for look into and do more research into that before know exactly how long. So we go know when they give that information there. So should you take the corona vaccine now that you know a lot of this information? And the short answer is yes, because that bad allergic reaction though, or the other affecting all what people are concerned about, it is safe. They have tested it in other people and it's safe. Other people are not taking, me get for taker, and I know a lot of people that will take them and it's safe for them. So I recommend say, if you get them and you're able to take the vaccine, because not only that you protect you yourself, you also protect other people that are there around you. We're not go able to take the vaccine, because if we all take this vaccine here, so then we're not able. We go reduce the chances say we go spread this or we go get this and spread that to other people then. So the one that we're not able to take the vaccine, then they're not go get sick from this disease here. So, but Lord, be careful, because vaccine and not begin come out, no means say corona they can done. No. We still need for where we face mask, we still need for social distance, and we still need for what we are. Especially to the people who they travel abroad, overseas, and the one and say for dinner. That traveling day, that party day, December, Christmas, merry all, even if vaccine day. That vaccine day, you get for take group effort, you get for supplement that vaccine day with protection before it work well. Otherwise, corona go still there, come back next year, 2 years from now, 3 years from now. So the more you do your own part, the better it will be for we all. So these then are some of the answers then to questions that we people ask. And once again, they ask, say, when I stop for spread any false information, or people who they say, oh, this na without themselves then the cow time for we, or the one can kill we, or the one do this, then they all na lie. And I left for spread false information. Even though not to you make the false information, na spread them. On a happy holidays, and on a take good care of yourself, and be careful na wearing a mask, on a social distance, on a was on an. And when on a get the chance to take the vaccine, on a take the vaccine. Thank you.